had to show you a close-up of this lamp that I'm in love with. It comes in a set of 2. It has the brass hardware, which I love. And the texture on this is so amazing. The brand is one of my favorites, really high quality. Seriously, get these while you can. I cannot get over this vintage style painting. It is stunning. The colors in it are perfect. Such a good size and value and price. I can't even believe it. Looks like an authentic oil painting. All right, my cabinet, right? I love it so much. It was a vintage find. However, I have been hunting for you guys to find something similar because I was like, I don't want to share this amazing thing and not have like something you can get similar. A lot of times these are crazy expensive. Like their AMBRA Interiors has a similar one. I think McGee & Co. gets them sometimes in their found section, and they're like thousands of dollars, like $3,000 or $4,000. Not even kidding. I'll show you, but which is ridiculous, right? But I found one that is more reasonable. It's still a little splurgy, but I feel like this is a really good price point for this kind of cabinet. And adding these kind of collected pieces, something that has that vintage, authentic feel, is such a good way to level up your decor. It makes everything else feel more expensive and really gives that high-end look that makes your home look unique. So this piece is a good brand. It's on sale. Looks amazing. So similar to mine, and I'm going to link more cabinets in varying price points as well. Also, no, our house isn't done. I just couldn't wait, so I styled it in our current house, which is good because then I can just be more excited about that my house will one day be done. We are coming up on like, gosh, it's been a year and a half almost since we started building. It's crazy. And I've had the plans drawn for 2 years, which is wild. But I'm going to show you some progress on that either today or tomorrow, how the house is coming, because I'm getting tile, finalized. It should be getting installed starting next week. And then we're also getting wood floors in soon, and the wood beams are going to go up actually really soon because they need to be up before the floors so they don't get ruined, or so the scaffolding doesn't hurt the floor. It's a lot going on, but it's gonna be so fun. Like, I'm really excited. So stay tuned for that either today or tomorrow on house updates.